So as I explained, we got like a MIG welding, TIG welding, stick welding. So this is a Lorch. It's like a German-made, very good brand. So we do have like, this is the flux core welding. I'll just pull it out. So this is we call cap. So what it does happen, and this is like a insulator. And the gas is coming through this one, this holes, and this is the tip. So what it's happened, so we got a gas connection here. So this is argon, blue color, and that is the gray, it is the CO2. So that's argon and CO2, 75%, 25% CO2. So this is, we connected this one, this is a called a regulator. So what it does, it shows two dials. One shows the cylinder pressure and one is working pressure. So the working pressure, it's come through this gas and then it goes to the machine.
Okay.
And then machine will push that one. And this is we call a torch. So the torch, it does have a spiral. So the wire is coming through that spiral. So if you bend it still, it will come through.
Okay.
Okay, so let me put this together again. Perfect. So we'll leave it this one here. So this is the wire. Yeah. So the wire is, as soon as you press the button, it will spin. So these are the rollers. These are the rollers, and they're pulling the wire. As soon as you see, if I press the button here, it starts rolling.
Oh, okay.
And then they push the wire. So this is the pressure you have to put it in. You can release the pressure or you can put more pressure on it. So this is the flux core. This is a 15 kilo wire spool. So it's quite heavy. We do have a small welding machine, so you can get smaller welding spool.
Okay.
And you can put it in. So this machine, it does flux core, MIG, stick, and no TIG. Okay. So this, you can see manual metal, MIG and mag. So if you want to change, you just press this button. That is manual metal arc means stick welding. But we'll start with the flux core first. So if you press it again, there is a synergic, means in this case what happened, you just change your thickness. So this is 4.4. If you change, and this, you watch this volts and amperage. If you change, it will change the volts and amperage. So the machine sets itself how much you need a voltage, how much you need a heat, and how much you need a wire.
Just like we did it in the machine, virtual reality machine.
But that's, I set it up. But this machine set up itself.
Oh, okay.
So if I put this, increase this thickness, see, it's, if you're going more thicker, it's going more higher and higher. How it's changing. If you change the thickness, so that machine does it itself. So this is synergic. Fe means carbon steel. You can change carbon, copper if you wanna. You change the wire size, diameter. So it does have a lot of functionality in this machine. So synergic, speed arc, speed pulse. So if you got a normal pulse welding machines, it does have a speed pulse. So it does more 30% faster than other welding machines. Twin pulse, if you see, if you weld any TIG welding machine, so TIG is look nice and very good. So you see those knots. So if you want to get those knots on this welding machine, you can get those knots as well. Twin pulse, speed up, and once again we're back to the normal MIG and mag. So we'll go 24 and 5 point. Yeah, so we'll try this one. So you can see the tools up here. We got a shifter, that's the grinder, spanner. This is the plier, big plier. If you got a hot, you can take it with. This is the chipping hammer. You can chip your slag.
That's the one you explained before. Okay.
Yeah, steel rule, and then this is the wire brush to clean this, and this is the plier. If you want to cut, you can just, if it's coming too long, then you can just
Nice.
You can just chop it yourself. This is a welding helmet. It does have outer lens, inner lens, and it does have sensors.
To protect our eyes.
Yes, to protect the eyes. And there are few settings up here as well.
Oh.
So the sensitivity, how fast you want to get dark, and if you need a more view, less view, so you can adjust yourself.
Okay.
Just checking the time. Yeah, so as I explained, we got vertical up, you did the down hand, and then we got a overhead, so we got this welding positioner, so you can go up and down. Sometimes you have to do the overhead. So these are, but we're doing vertical up because already we tried couple of on the tables.
Yeah.
So something, something different. So this is, I'm gonna try with the flux core, and then we're starting from here, and then we'll go
Up.
all the way up.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, just a moment. Maybe.
I'll just check the settings. Just look perfect. Okay, I'll do the. You ready? How was that? So this is what you're asking about all the time, slag.
Okay.
So this is the slag. So we're gonna chip it off.
Those are slags. Ooh.
So this is hot and nice. Yeah, so this is the slag, and you have to give a little bit more wire brush. See, that's the word there.
Nice. Okay.
So how you did the multi runs?
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll do a little bit, one more run on the top. So this is different style.
Different style.
You're doing vertical up. So it's getting a little bit hot plate because of it's just the 6 mil. So that's I just did the half run so they can see. So you have to get over. Not the slag, but you want to shine it. If you got it in the corner, so you have to take it out. So if you put a wire brush, yeah. So this is the flux core welding. So I'm gonna show you like stick welding.
Okay.
Is that okay? So what I'm just putting this one away. Otherwise, if as soon as I put on the stick, it will get connected.
Okay.
Because you know the stick, you have to hit it to the metal. So this is already. So we're gonna change the settings to the mode. Stick welding and metal arc welding, and you say yes. So we need about 78. So we do have welding rods we're keeping in the oven. So it's it has to be kept dry, like a moistureless. Okay. So that's why I'm going to bring some welding rods from the oven now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, don't worry about that.
So this is stick welding.
Yes. Ready? Ready?
It looks like there are a lot of chunks there, like big chunks in between.
Yeah, big chunks. So that's like a slack.
Okay. They're all slabs.
Yeah.
Now better, yeah.
So now we're doing second runs.
Yeah, stick welding, it looks so much harder.
Yeah, it does have a little bit. You need to have a little bit more. A lot of Korean welders, they are very good TIG welders, but not stick flux core.
A lot of welders are not good at it.
Yeah,
Okay.
a lot of Koreans only good with the TIG welding.
Okay.
I work with a lot of them.
Looks good.
Yeah. So I'll do this second run now.
Mm-hmm. What about it?
Getting hot
Ah, yes,
because
yes.
we're putting too much heat. Watch your shoes, eh?
Oh, yeah.
It will burn. We are using 100% argon,
Mm-hmm.
and so same thing again. You got a there is a gas pressure, cylinder pressure, and the flow pressure,
Mm-hmm.
and it is connected to the welder.
Mm-hmm.
So this is, we got a handpiece coming out of handpiece here. So this is a little bit connection to the your torch here.
Oh,
Okay.
so gas.
Yeah, the gas is coming.
고추.
And yeah, so this is the gas connection up here.
Uh-huh.
And this is the earth plate. So you have to flow the current from one positive to negative. Sorry, here it is negative to positive.
Mm-hmm.
So we are using carbon steel. Maybe I'll go to the 40. This is a lock. Then TIG welding, and we got this one. So we got to all set up this one. So I will go about. So this is the back cap. This is the torch, ceramic, and this is the sill.
Mm-hmm.
And the gas is coming through this one. You ready?
Yep.
So I'm just pushing a little bit wire here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's how you did it.
And you can see it's It's look nice and pretty than other weldings.
Mm-hmm.
No spatters, no slags. Yeah, so that's why it's very good and handy.
Okay.
If you want to make a motorbike, car, it's supposed to be like a decorative look pretty.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so that's
Yeah, I can tell the difference for sure. Yeah.
okay. Okay, Josh, you can go.
Okay.
So when you're pressing the button, just press once, and then you just
Just
just as soon as you get that start melting, and you just keep pushing wire.
And just one thing, where should I record this one?
I'll
will
hold
you do
it.
it? Oh, okay. All right.
So what am I supposed to do here?
Yeah, just hold it. Yeah, that's all you need to do. 안녕하십니까? 들었습니다. TIG welding. TIG welding.
Hang on.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
이렇게 메탈을 금속을 같이 이렇게 해야 됩니다.
Where are the gloves, please?
Yeah. Wear the gloves. Yes.
Safety first, Josh.
Of course. Almost forgot. 네, 아까 PPT에서 설명드렸던 것처럼 안전. 여러분의 안전은 소중하니까요. Like that.
Oh no! Don't press it like first.
No, I'm not gonna
You have
press it.
to. You have to get very close.
So like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you press it, yeah.
Okay.
You have to get in the corner.
And I have to push it
Yeah.
at the same time.
Yes.
And go that way.
Yes. You have to push it same
Okay.
time.
And
yes.
what angle?
Yeah, a little bit push.
Like
Yeah.
that?
Push. Right.
This angle?
Yes. Push.
Okay. 해보겠습니다, 여러분.
You don't need to touch it. You have to keep a gap.
What?
You have to keep a gap.
I keep it down?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, keep a gap. How are you going, Josh?
I don't know.
Oh no. Just push the button.
Wait. What? So what did I do wrong?
You did everything wrong.
Everything wrong. Can you just teach me once how to do it?
Okay, I'll teach you.
Mm-hmm.
So, you're not supposed to be hold that wire like that.
Okay.
So you have to get a wire like this.
Like that? Okay.
Yeah, and you have to push it, your wire.
Push it.
Okay?
Okay.
And while you're pushing your wire, you have to keep your wire very steady. So you're not touching to that tungsten.
Oh, okay.
Okay? And with that one, you're just keeping a little bit gap. And then you try to be melted. Take the copper one.
Copper one.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the correct one. Just like this from here. No. Here. You already melted the tungsten.
여러분 이거 어렵습니다. It's really difficult. So it takes practice.
Yeah, you had to come for the training, mate.
예, 여기 훈련을 받아야 될 것 같습니다. I give up. Well, it's hard.
Hey, goodbye, students. And if you want to learn, come to the Kangaroo Training. Thank you.
Kangaroo Training. 예. 네, 여러분 오늘은 이제 캥거루 트레이닝 와서 이제 가나시 선생님이랑 같이 용접 같이 배워봤어요. 실제로 해보니까 생각보다 굉장히 어렵네요. 용접사를 꿈꾸는 여러분들 호주에 오셔가지고 얼른 용접 배우시길 바랄게요. 오늘 고생하셨습니다. Thank you, 가나시.
Thank you, Josh.
Bye.
Bye.